I done this. I turned and threw out. I just sits there and Tom dressed me dumber. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Oh, but this one.
You're not supposed to be taking those. Don't take them. It's the dinosaurs' rocks. They're gonna get mad.
A dinosaur.
Whoa!
A dinosaur.
They're coming to chase you.
A dinosaur. A dinosaur. A dinosaur.
Right here, I'm a dinosaur.
A real dinosaur.
You better run. I'm a real dinosaur. I'm trying to pretend.
Oh, that dinosaur runs.
I don't know.
We're done to see
You're
it.
gonna jump? What's going on?
Oh no.
Shit, are you looking for them now?
Yeah.
Where do you think they are? Where do you think dinosaurs usually are?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No, man. I see this.
Oh yeah?
Wow. And watch us. Wow.
You're doing a good job walking on them.
You a dinosaur?
What's that? Good balance. Oh,
This.
where are you gonna move it to? Hey, it doesn't go there. That doesn't go there. You should put it back in the hole. Oh, there's a worm there. Oh, you see the worm?
A movement?
Do you see it? Are you gonna touch it?
What's that?
You touched the worm. I touched it.
You touch.
Okay. He's cold, huh?
Yeah.
Slimy. We gotta wash our hands when we get home, okay?
What's that?
I think it's a roly-poly.
Holy pudding?
Yeah. They were curled up in balls. Everyone was happy under the rock until you moved the rock. The rock's over here. Are you gonna move it back? Gotta be gentle though. Don't squish them. Do you want to touch the worm again? Do you want to touch it one more time? Don't drop it. Don't drop it. You gotta gentle. Gentle. We don't want to squish them. Oh, you're checking them out again? Don't squish them, buddy. Do you want to touch them again? Go ahead and touch them if you want to touch them.
I touched them.
You touch them.
You hurt them.
I know you touch them.
No.
Okay. I think you should touch them. Touch them. Touch them.
I touched them.
Okay.
More ones?